In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade directly on Tradingview with your broker. Tradingview isn't just for charting, you can place trades right from your charts by connecting a supported broker. I'll walk you through the full process, explain what you'll see along the way, and share a few tips so you feel confident when you place your first order. Start by opening any chart on Tradingview. Once your chart is up, look to the bottom of the screen for the panel bar and click on Trading Panel. This is the control center for broker connections and where you'll manage orders, positions, and account details after you connect. Next, choose your broker. You'll see a list of supported brokerages in the trading panel. You can scroll through the options or use the search box to find yours quickly. Make sure you select the correct regional entity and account type if your broker offers more than one. Since availability and features can vary, when you find your broker, click Connect and log in using your live or demo brokerage credentials. If you are brand new or just testing, connecting a demo account is a great way to learn the workflow without risking real funds. Enter your details only on the official login window that appears and proceed to the next screen. You'll then be asked to authorize the connection. Follow the prompts to allow Tradingview to access your account so it can display balances, positions, and route orders. This permission is required for the integration to work, and you can disconnect it later from the same panel if you need to. If your broker isn't supported yet, you can still practice by selecting the built-in paper trading option in the trading panel. Paper trading simulates the real experience with fake money, so you can get comfortable with order placement and chart-based trading before going live. Once you are connected, you can start trading directly from the chart. Right-click on the price area to bring up trading actions or use the order panel that appears in the trading panel. Choose your order type, set your quantity, and add optional stops and targets. Tradingview will plot your orders visually on the chart, making it easy to confirm your levels before you submit. As you trade, keep an eye on your balance, trade history, and active positions, all visible in the trading panel. You can modify or close positions from there. Monitor fills and fees, and make sure your orders match your strategy. Take a moment before each submission to verify instrument, side, quantity, and price. That's it. Thanks for watching.